got a spring cooling tip for you on your sleds. Last few days, I noticed because it's springtime, the mornings are really icy and there's not a lot of snow on the trail, or it's not chewed up enough. Scratchers work, but not good. They're not great. So one little tip that I can tell you to do is if you're riding on the trail, maybe pull to the sides a little bit, drag your one foot. Just drag it in the snow a little bit. That little bit extra kind of splashes into the track, gets up into your cooler and helps cool the sled. It works. I've been doing it for 25-30 years and it works really well. However, do not try it with a pair of climb boots because your boots will be destroyed. You need some good boots. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Talk to you later.